Unlock the courage within. Understanding, take heart. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's often heard but sometimes misunderstood: take heart. Stick with us as we explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. Let's get started and take heart in our journey to learn English together. Take heart is a phrase that sounds like it could be about health, but it's actually all about courage and confidence. To take heart means to become encouraged or to gain confidence. It's something you say to someone when you want them to feel better about a difficult situation, to keep going, and not to give up. Imagine you're facing a tough exam, and you're feeling nervous. Someone might say to you, "Take heart, you've studied hard and you're ready for this." They're telling you to be confident and to have courage because you're prepared. In conversation, this phrase is perfect for motivational moments. When you see someone feeling down or nervous, you can say, "Take heart. Things will get better," as a way of encouraging them. In writing, you can also use take heart in writing. In an email to a friend who's going through a tough time, you might write, "Take heart, my friend, I'm here for you." This is a warm way to offer support and encouragement. Variations of the phrase. There are a few variations of the phrase that carry the same meaning, such as have heart or keep your chin up. These can be used interchangeably. Let's see take heart in action with some examples. After the team's initial loss, the coach said, "Take heart, we'll practice harder and come back stronger." She took heart from the fact that she had overcome similar challenges before. In the face of adversity, they took heart, knowing that perseverance could lead to success. By using take heart in different scenarios, you can express empathy and offer a morale boost to someone in need. Thank you for watching. We hope you take heart from this lesson and feel more confident in using this encouraging phrase. English is full of expressions like this that can add color and emotion to your conversations. Keep learning, and you'll soon be speaking with the flair and confidence of a native. Until next time, take heart and keep practicing.